From the swirling blues of its oceans to the lush greens of its forests, our planet thrives, a beacon of life in the vast cosmic dark. But this oasis, this cradle of civilization, is far more fragile than we often care to admit. What forces, what cosmic phenomena hold the power to unravel the delicate tapestry of life on Earth? What could silence the bustling cities and still the restless tides? We'll delve into the fiery heart of supervolcanoes, brace ourselves for the silent devastation of gamma-ray bursts, and confront the chilling possibility of rogue black holes devouring our solar system whole. This isn't just about morbid fascination, it's about understanding the delicate balance that sustains us. By confronting these potential threats, we gain a deeper appreciation for the preciousness of life and the importance of safeguarding our pale blue dot.
Space may seem vast and empty, but it's teeming with remnants from the dawn of our solar system asteroids. We've all seen the disaster movies, a giant space rock hurtling towards Earth. While Hollywood might embellish the drama, the threat itself is real. 66 million years ago, an impact event triggered the extinction of the dinosaurs. The impact unleashed earthquakes, tsunamis, and wildfires. Dust and debris choked the atmosphere, plunging the world into darkness and cold. The Earth bears the scars of past impacts, craters etched into its surface. Scientists estimate thousands of potentially hazardous asteroids intersect with Earth's orbit. While no imminent threat is identified, the possibility remains. Scientists are developing early warning systems and deflection strategies. The fate of the dinosaurs reminds us to remain vigilant. Deep beneath our feet, hidden beneath picturesque landscapes, slumber giant supervolcanoes capable of eruptions that dwarf any volcanic event in recorded history. Yellowstone National Park, a geothermal wonderland of geysers and hot springs, sits atop one such supervolcano. Beneath its serene beauty lies a magma chamber capable of unleashing an eruption thousands of times more powerful than Mount St. Helens. An eruption of this magnitude would bury entire states in ash, plunging the world into a volcanic winter. Massive amounts of ash and sulfur dioxide injected into the atmosphere would block sunlight, leading to a significant drop in global temperatures. Crops would fail, ecosystems would collapse, and civilization as we know it would face an unprecedented challenge. The last known supervolcano eruption, the Toba eruption approximately 74,000 years ago, is believed to have plunged Earth into a volcanic winter lasting several years. While we can't prevent these eruptions, understanding their potential impact is crucial for developing mitigation strategies and ensuring the survival of our species.
Imagine a cosmic lighthouse gone haywire, unleashing a beam of energy so intense that it could obliterate entire star systems in an instant. This is the terrifying reality of a gamma-ray burst, the most powerful explosions in the universe. These bursts of gamma rays, the highest energy form of light, originate billions of light years away, the death throes of massive stars collapsing into black holes. In a matter of seconds, a gamma ray burst can release more energy than our sun will emit in its entire lifetime. If Earth were unfortunate enough to be caught in the path of a gamma ray burst, the initial blast of gamma rays would strip away our ozone layer in an instant, leaving life on the surface exposed to deadly ultraviolet radiation from the sun. The radiation would trigger widespread mutations, decimate marine life, and disrupt delicate ecosystems. While the probability of a nearby gamma-ray burst striking Earth is extremely low, the potential consequences are so dire that it warrants our attention. Black holes, cosmic monsters with gravitational pulls so strong that not even light can escape, often lurk at the hearts of galaxies. But what if one of these gravitational behemoths went rogue, ejected from its galactic home to wander the cosmos like a celestial predator? These rogue black holes, invisible to the naked eye, drift through the vast expanse of space, their presence only detectable by the gravitational havoc they wreak on their surroundings. Should one of these wanderers approach our solar system, the consequences would be nothing short of apocalyptic. Even at a distance, a rogue black hole's immense gravity could disrupt the orbits of planets in our solar system. While the odds of a rogue black hole encountering our solar system are astronomically small, the scenario highlights the immense power of these cosmic objects and the precariousness of our existence in the vast expanse of space.
While the previous threats loom as potential disasters from the cosmos, there's a more insidious, slow-burning crisis unfolding right before our eyes: climate change. This isn't a distant threat, it's a present reality. Global temperatures are rising, ice caps are melting, and extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and severe. Human activity, specifically greenhouse gases, is the culprit. We can mitigate the worst effects by transitioning to clean energy and sustainable practices. In the grand scheme of existential threats, it's easy to overlook the microscopic. But history teaches us a chilling lesson. Sometimes the smallest enemies pose the greatest danger. Throughout human history, pandemics, the silent, invisible invaders, have ravaged civilizations, leaving devastation and societal upheaval in their wake. From the Black Death to the 1918 influenza pandemic, history is replete with examples of infectious diseases reshaping the course of human events. In our interconnected world, the threat of a global pandemic is more potent than ever. Investing in early detection systems, developing effective vaccines and treatments, and strengthening global health infrastructure are crucial steps in mitigating this ever-present danger.
Since the dawn of the atomic age, humanity has lived under the shadow of a chilling possibility: nuclear war.
This specter of self-destruction, a horrifying testament to our technological prowess, has the potential to obliterate civilization and render our planet all but uninhabitable.
The destructive power of nuclear weapons is unlike anything else on Earth. A single detonation can vaporize entire cities in an instant, leaving behind a radioactive wasteland.
The immediate blast effects, including the blinding flash, searing heat, and devastating shockwave, would be only the beginning of the nightmare.
In the aftermath of a nuclear explosion, a sinister, invisible killer would emerge: radioactive fallout. Carried by wind currents, these radioactive particles would contaminate vast areas, poisoning water supplies, contaminating crops, and posing a long-term threat to human health.
The consequences of even a limited nuclear exchange would be catastrophic, making it imperative that we pursue diplomacy, disarmament, and the peaceful resolution of conflicts.
For centuries, humanity has dreamt of creating artificial intelligence, machines capable of thinking, learning, and even surpassing our own abilities. But what if this technological leap forward, this quest to create a digital reflection of ourselves, inadvertently sows the seeds of our own destruction? The development of artificial intelligence holds immense promise, offering solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges, from curing diseases to combating climate change. However, this rapid technological advancement also comes with inherent risks that we must acknowledge and address responsibly. One concern is that AI could become so intelligent that it surpasses human control, leading to unintended consequences. Another concern is the potential for AI to be weaponized. Autonomous weapons systems capable of selecting and engaging targets without human intervention could make warfare more efficient and deadly. Establishing ethical guidelines for AI development, ensuring human oversight, and fostering international cooperation are crucial steps in mitigating these risks and ensuring that AI remains a tool for good.
Our sun, the lifeblood of our solar system, a radiant ball of plasma that bathes our planet in warmth and light, can also unleash bursts of energy so powerful that they threaten our technologically dependent civilization. These solar storms, often associated with sunspots and solar flares, are a stark reminder of our interconnectedness with the cosmos. Solar flares release massive amounts of radiation, including X-rays and ultraviolet radiation, that can reach Earth in minutes. Their impact on our technological systems can be significant. Imagine a massive solar storm erupting from the sun's surface. The initial wave of radiation would disrupt radio communications, knocking out satellites and causing blackouts. The universe is vast, teeming with billions of stars and planets. It's a cosmic tapestry of unimaginable scale. It's hard to imagine that we're alone, but what if we're not? What if other intelligent civilizations ponder the same questions? The possibility of extraterrestrial life has moved into serious scientific inquiry. It's only a matter of time before we make contact. But what would that contact look like? Would it be a peaceful exchange of knowledge? Or could it be something far more ominous? We must proceed with caution and respect for the unknown.
From the devastating power of asteroid impacts and supervolcano eruptions to the silent threat of pandemics and the self-inflicted wounds of nuclear war and climate change, we've explored 10 scenarios that could spell the end for humanity. It's a sobering thought, a stark reminder of the fragility of our existence and the precariousness of our place in the cosmos. But this exploration wasn't meant to instill fear or despair. Instead, it was a call to action, a reminder of our shared responsibility to protect this pale blue dot, the only home we've ever known. By understanding the forces that shape our universe, by embracing science and technology responsibly, and by working together as a global community, we can confront these challenges head-on and create a brighter future for generations to come. Until next time, keep exploring.